All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Justin Clark here. We're going to take a look at these crypto markets this morning. It is January 5th on a Sunday. And yeah, let's see what we got going on. As you come on, if you let me know who you are and what part of the world you're tuning in from. And if you're seeing this live or on a replay, that's always good. Of course, if you have any questions as I'm going through this, feel free to comment. And I'll be more than happy to answer them. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. I mean, that's the main thing that we focus on. And it's because crypto markets are weird. They're a very weird market. For those who don't know, Bitcoin, it just drives the ship. You know what I'm saying? It steers the ship in whatever direction we're going to go, if we're going to be smooth sailing or if we're going to be hitting rough seas in the crypto market. And so unlike any other market, you need to, you go into traditional markets and you can't just watch one currency or one stock and it, ends up affecting all the other currencies and all the other stocks and everything. In crypto, you can, it's like a cheat code. You just have to keep a close eye on Bitcoin, what's happening. And when Bitcoin is overall rising, the altcoins or these little coins tend to increase. And when Bitcoin's dumping almost uniformly across all the coins, they all start dumping at the same time. So it's kind of funny. All right. Good morning, Mike. Good to have you here. Clive, welcome. Yeah, tuning in from the UK. Good morning and good afternoon to you. So let's go ahead and just jump over there. We're going to use a chart setup called oh, wow, Norway. All right. Good day to you. Welcome to the stream. We're going to use a setup called the MA Momentum Chart Setup, and it stands for Moving Average Momentum. And if you're a member of iCoinPro and you want to learn how this chart setup works, go to my iCoinPro training and then go to Micro Profit System Part 3. And that'll take you right there. And then you can do the training. It's about 40 minutes. You can do it at any point in the 1-week course. So, you can, just take a quick little detour, do that training, and you'll be all set. All right. Dennis, good morning. See you there. Welcome, welcome. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load up this charts layout. What we're looking at, for those who don't know, this is the iCoinPro trading portal. This is our own custom trading software. It has everything that you need to be able to trade these crazy crypto markets. It tracks all your trades. It has all the software to find the good trades, pushes everything right to your mobile phone in real time so that when something is happening, we know the instant it's happening. It comes straight to our mobile devices immediately. So with that said, if you want to get the MA Momentum chart set up, you go up to here, click this little arrow, click Load Chart Layout, and then click on MA Momentum, and it'll pull it up. And we can look at this really quickly so that people who are newer can kind of understand how this works. The first thing is these green and red things up here, they're called candles. They show where the price is. And so this is showing, what just happened with the price. Each one of these candles, we're looking at this on a 1-day chart. Okay. We need to do that to, get a good determination. Hey, JT, welcome, man. Good to have you here. These other lines here, these purple, maroon, yellow, green, etc. These are called moving averages. They're just an average of what the price is going back a certain time frame. We don't even need to know how they work. We just need to know how to use them. Like a TV. You don't know how a TV works. Nobody does. But you know how to use it, right? Turn it on, watch your favorite show. So with that said, one thing about this chart setup, which is great, is when we are trading above all of these moving averages, okay, in particular, staying above this light purple moving average, we are potentially building up bullish momentum, okay, and we are almost definitely in a bullish market potentially, or I should say we are potentially in a bullish market and almost definitely not in a bear market at that point. Now, things can change at any time. Like right now, we went up in at 108K. We've set a lower high, another lower high. We're grappling here with some, moving averages and stuff like that. Sorry, I'm going to shut this off here. just so that doesn't interrupt. So we're kind of caught in a little spaghetti tangle of these moving averages right now. So, lower highs, not good, having trouble here, etc. So anything can happen from this point, but we'll talk more about that. On the flip side, when we start to get stuck below this light purple moving average and below all of these moving averages, okay, then we're potentially in a bearish cycle and almost definitely not in a bull cycle, okay? And it can take a while. Now, again, a news event can just invalidate all of this, cause the market to go crazy, either up or down. But from a technical standpoint, that's what we're looking at. You've got a lot of things that, sellers, once you get in the bearish cycle, that have to be processed out. We have to reclaim all of these moving averages, okay? And once we reclaim all of the moving averages, then we can potentially go back into a bullish cycle. So where are we right now? So we are, again, grappling with the spaghetti tangle, potentially just set another lower high, which is not awesome. And we need to get over 100K. So this is kind of the challenge here, is 100K. If we cannot get over 100K again here in the next, couple days, probably, we could see the market start to head back down again and retest 95K, around that area. 94, 95 here would probably be pretty key. This shaded area is called a Bollinger Band. So you can see it was in what we call a bubble here. Now we're squeezing back in. Whenever that squeezes in and narrows, it indicates that we could be setting up for potential volatility, meaning a move either up or down. We're getting lowered volume here, tightened ranges. All those things can indicate that we're heading into an area where there could be a move. Hey, Christopher, welcome. So we're just going to have to keep a close eye on things here. Again, 90, 94, it looks like 94, 95 are going to be pretty important to hold on to. This moving average here, if we lose, this, and then 90K below that for sure. And that's looking like it's all going to coincide with the lower Bollinger Band. So that's where we're at. We got to reclaim 100K, bust through it here, get above it, start trading above it to keep the bulls interested and excited. If we don't, we could go back and test 94, 95. If we lose that, 90 would be the next up. If we lose that, then we're looking at somewhere in the 80s potentially with this next moving average. We'll just have to see what happens. Again, I do not give any investment advice. I don't know whether Bitcoin's going to 200,000 or 2,000. And I really don't care, which is nice about how we trade. Welcome, Dean. Good to see y'all. So again, we just take it one day at a time, but definitely if we start putting pressure on this, some of the altcoins could really move down, I believe, because people start to get nervous, about the market potentially going into a bearish cycle with this overall setup. All right, let's take a look at a couple other things here. Longs and shorts. Right now, we're sitting at pretty much dead even. So it's business as usual, essentially, right now. No real huge concern here for me with the longs and shorts. Longs are people that are betting Bitcoin's going up, usually with leverage. Shorts are people betting Bitcoin's going down, usually with leverage. When you introduce leverage, that means you're borrowing money to exaggerate your gains or your losses, and it makes it much, much riskier, okay? Right now, though, we're kind of even. We don't worry about this until either the longs or the shorts get over 70%. Then you've got the real potential for a mass market liquidation move going on. But right now, we're not there. So it's kind of business as usual. And we just got to take it one dip trade at a time right now. Definitely looking for the dip trades because of the fact that we are just so up high, so near these clear resistance areas. So we're going to be rocking some dip trades right now. All right, last thing we want to look at is there anything that's looking super awesome to trade right now? And I'm not really seeing anything that I'm super, super excited about. So what I'm going to do is when it gets like this, I just let the software do the work. Our spread tracker will we track all the coins across Binance and Coinbase. And as soon as something starts happening or moving, these trackers let us know, right? And they push it right to our smartphone. So I'm just going to let our spread tracker, which finds the coins that are dipping and have good volume and are ready to trade potentially. Our blow up tracker, which tracks the coins that blow up big, and our dump tracker, my favorite one. When coins are dumping, those are the ones that we like to trade. So again, we'll just have to see what happens here and let our software do the work. Otherwise, I'm just going to go about my day and not even worry about it. We'll see if anything happens today. It's a weekend. Usually, the weekdays have higher volatility due to more traders being on deck. All right, so that's it, everybody. Again, if you want to learn about how to trade these crazy crypto markets, I have a free boot camp that you can do. Takes about 40 minutes. You can literally finish it right after you finish watching this video. It is fantastic. If you have any doubt about whether or not you could actually trade successfully, I think you'll be so impressed with what you learn there and have total confidence in yourself that you could actually do it. Hey, Lise, good morning. Good to have you on here. We're getting ready to wrap, but welcome. All right. So yeah, definitely do the boot camp. It's totally free. You can get back with the person who introduced you to iCoinPro, shared this video with you, or you can also send an email to support@iCoinPro.com. And if you like that, we got a 1-week course you can do and learn how to trade. Just takes you a week part-time or 2 days if you want to just bang it out full-time and just do the training and get it done. Other than that, if you want market analysis like this right to your inbox or pushed to your smartphone, just follow me on Facebook or on x.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, everybody, take care. Have a wonderful rest of the afternoon. And let's see what happens today in these crazy crypto markets. Bye-bye now.